Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on accessibility menu on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that accessibility menu shortcut on the cell phone provide quick access to accessibility feature and settings. And also, it's a convenient way to turn on or switch between apps like TalkBack, adjust volume, take screenshot, or open Google Assistant, and all from a single, easily accessible menu. And how to turn it on is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that I have to do is, of course, now you can go to the settings menu on your cell phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down again and go to additional settings. And that after that, now you can go to accessibility menu. And then now you can go to accessibility shortcut and turn it on. And the result would be like this. And you can easily access this feature without having to open it one by one. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching.